Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Gig where we dive deep into the tool that can help you make smarter trading decisions. And in today's video, you will discover the best mobile trading platforms and apps that every trader should know about. Whether you are looking for speed, advanced charting, or trusted platform that have stood the test of time, this breakdown will show you which app suits your trading style. So stay with me until the end because by the time we are done, you would understand and have a clear understanding of which platform would give you the most reliable edge in the market. Now, mobile trading platforms and apps have transformed how traders act in the market. These applications allow you to monitor, analyze trades from anywhere with an internet connection. With so many choices available, selecting the right platform is not just about features. It is about finding tools that fit your trading style, help you manage risks, and keep your head ahead in the competition. So watch closely because by the time we're finished, you would know what app would give you clarity, speed, and reliability you will need for confident trading. The first platform would be called the MetaTrader 4, and it's widely used for Forex trading in the world. It remains the industrial standard for retail traders, offering a brand of reliability, simplicity, and access to a vast range of technical indicators and trading robots. The mobile app mirrors the desktop version closely, ensuring you can manage your trades without compromise wherever you are. One of the MT4's strengths is its stability. The app is lightweighted, loads quickly, and runs smoothly even on a slow connection. This makes it especially valuable if you need to react to fast-moving markets without delay. The platform interface, while not modern, is intuitive for those familiar with it, with clear menus for charts, orders, and account management. You can customize your charts with multiple time frames and a large library of inbuilt indicators. The platform interface is not model and it is intuitive, and you have to be familiar with it to get used to it. You can actually customize your charts in such a way that it will suit you. More importantly, the MT4 supports expert advisor, that's EAs, which are automated scripts that can trade for you based on your preferred and predefined rules. Many retail traders use the EAs to eliminate emotion trading and execute strategy around the clock. The platform's main drawback is its dated design and limited built-in tools. Compared to newer platforms, for example, the MT4 lacks advanced order types and its charting tools are not as sophisticated as those in the TradingView. However, it is simple and reliable, making it the first choice for many traders, especially those focused on trading major currency pairs. Now, if you are new to trading or prefer a straightforward dependent platform, I would advise you make use of the MT4 because it is a solid starting point and you can connect to hundreds of brokers worldwide and it has access to a massive online community, custom indicators, and trading strategies. That leads us to the next platform, which is called the MetaTrader 5. The MetaTrader 5 is official successor to the MT4. Built for modern traders, it expands the capability of its predecessor, supporting not only Forex but stocks, your futures, and CFDs. The mobile experience is smooth and seamless, allowing you to switch between assets class with a single tap. Now, the MT5 is designed for traders who want more tools and flexibility. It offers more order types such as the netting and hedging, and provides access to an integrated economic calendar which can be valuable for fundamental analysis indicators. The app also includes more time frames and technical indicators as well as the depth of market futures for certain brokers. The platform charting capabilities are improved with better visualization tools and the ability to display more data at once. However, this increased functionality can make the interface feel complex for beginners. Additionally, the MT5 adopts in the world in the world of Forex is still catching up to the MT4. So you may find fewer community resources and third-party tools. Now, if you trade more than just Forex or want access to advanced features, I would advise you to stick to the MT5 as it is a logical next step. It maintains the core strength of its predecessor, which is the MT4, while offering the depth required for a broader trading strategy. Now, the next trading platform we are going to talk about is called our TradingView. Now, the TradingView is not primarily a trading platform, but is a charting and analysis powerhouse. Its web-based or mobile-optimized interface has set a new standard for technical analysis. Across many markets including the forex, stocks and cryptocurrency, the platform charts are visually appealing, highly customizable and packed with features for both beginners and professional traders for its valuables. Now, what sets the TradingView apart is it blends this blends of professional tools and social trading tools. You can follow other traders, see their published charts and ideas, and even copy their analysis. This creates a transparent, community-driven environment where you can learn from others and share your own insights. TradingView has a feature known as the Pine the Pinner indicator. The TradingView Pinner script language allows you to develop custom indicators and strategies without advanced programming knowledge. You can actually backtest your strategies directly on this platform, which is significantly which has a significant advantage for those interested in developing or redefining or reinventing their own trading strategy. The TradingView has a very nice feature known as the alert system. The alert system, it can be sent directly to your email or it can be sent to your mobile phone. This is the alert system. In case you do not want to spend so much time on your chart, you can just set an alert, and when price gets to your area of interest, you will be alerted to that trade. The main limitation of the TradingView is its execution. While you can trade directly from the platform with selected brokers, its primary role is analysis. Many traders use the TradingView for technical analysis and switch to their main broker platform for trade execution, which may not be ideal for those seeking a fully integrated experience. Which leads us to the last but not the least trading platform, and which is called the cTrader. The cTrader is favored by traders who want transparency, speed and advanced order execution. It is designed with a focus on the electronic communication network (ECN) trading, which means you get access to direct market pricing and a faster execution with minimal requests. The mobile app is fast and designed for needs of active traders. The platform depth of market futures shows you real-time order flows and price from different liquidity providers, which can help you make more informed trading decisions. The interface is modern and clean, with customizable charts and an extensive set of technical indicators. Now, one of the unique features of the cTrader is its detachable chart, which allows you to analyze more than one pair at the same time. You have different order types and have advanced order types such as the market execution, the you have the limit orders, the stop orders. You can also make use of trailing stops as well as algorithm trading through C bots. The downside to the cTrader is its smaller community. There are fewer custom indicators and trading robots compared to the MetaTrader, and some brokers do not support your cTrader. However, if you are looking for a value execution speed and transparency, I bet you the cTrader is a strong contendant for your trading experience. Alright traders, we have come to the end of this video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you wouldn't miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.